Another snowstorm was reported to hit several areas in Turkey in April 2023. Many schools were closed and roads became slippery. Here is the complete information. Turkey is grappling with extreme weather emergency as torrential rains once again caused floods in the southern quake-hit province Hatay's Iskenderun district, while heavy snowfall forces schools to close in 9 out of 81 provinces in the country. Snowfall, which started in the high parts of Izmir, was effective, while Beşyol District of Bornova district turned white with precipitation. Ödemiş and Manisa Spil Mountain National Park were also covered with snow. On the other hand, as the temperatures dropped in Istanbul and Ankara today, the rain left its place to snow. Due to the snowfall, the high parts of the two cities were covered in white. Schools in some districts of northern province of Ordu, Sivas, and Samsun were also suspended for a day due to snowfall.